Day drinking with Phoebe. Thank you. Yes, day drinking is best in hot beverage weather because 21 only, please. This next recipe is gonna knock your socks off. This crock pot hot blizzard recipe is super delicious. And now the recipe. Screenshot this. You do 1.5 cups of bourbon, cup brown sugar, cup heavy cream, save a 1/2 gallon vanilla ice cream for the side, follow the directions, and believe me, it is so good. And it's so fun to get a little tanked on when you're not doing anything because it's a pandemic and all you can do is day drink. I kid. Drink responsibly. Stay safe, like, subscribe, and share. Share your international hot beverage recipe in the comment section below, and let's help keep each other warm this winter.